Hello, this is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto. It's September 1st, coming at you with another video here. Today we're going to bring you an update on Profit Engine. We're into week 11 with the rewards on this one, or the returns. It's a trading protocol that's on the BSC chain. Then the big updates is they're moving into the Forex side, so they'll be hopefully increasing the returns on this one. So please stay tuned for that. If you do like my content, please like and subscribe, and we do have some previous videos on this one if you want some more information on it. Again, this is not financial advice. I'm just trying to bring you some education, and I'm invested in this project, so just trying to share my education with you on as we're going forward. So, as you can see here, week 11, I haven't probably brought you an update since about week 7. We'll get into the totals here just shortly, but week 11, $4,689 for is what they returned. So they got 1.8% this or 1% this week, and they're averaging 1.8 total over the 11 weeks. So basically, what does that mean? Well, if we look at the outline here that we have the weeks week by week. I've listed them, but basically this last week here, week 11, it's if you have a if you, they do it by a million BUSD or a million tokens. If you have a million tokens, you get 9.4 BUSD. So that might not seem like a lot, but as we go forward, we've been growing the trading pool, and they've been had very consistent returns. Like say, they've had weeks as high as 3.4, 3.1%, and these figures do include the gas that's going forward. So I guess the interesting thing that they do have is that they're having some changes. This originally was dropped as a token, and they're moving to NFTs. So if you've been into the Telegram, as you can see here, it used to be Y5. They rebranded it. They still haven't renamed their Telegram, but if you get in there, I'll have that link below. And get into their Telegram, and you can talk about that. They also have a Discord as well. But get in and ask about it, because they're moving from the Fuel token to an NFT. So they're transitioning to the NFTs. They're also going to be doing an updated rewards distribution process. So they're going to have a DApp, and so they'll airdrop the NFTs for everybody. The minting DApp in the future, where you can see your number of NFTs, and we'll get into those shares right as well, because they did actually do a drop on that internally and just showed a sneak peek on what that would be. And they have, I think it's 5 or 6 different NFTs. They have a 2K, a 5K, a 10K, a 100K, 250K NFT, which you can now purchase and keep going. And once they close that, they have about 100K left for the NFTs to be purchased, 100K in tokens, or $100,000 in tokens, which is now going to be part of the NFTs. So if you want to get in on that, once that's done, it's going to be closed, and then you can only basically sell your NFT and rebuy them on the secondary market if you want to get into this one. So please take a look at that. If you want to get into it, they're going to be switching over. And what does that equate to? I guess a 2K NFT right now is $6.25, so 625 BUSD. And if you wanted to get the big one, the 250K NFT is about $687.50. So if you get in on that, then they've been doing the purchases in BUSD, and then you can resell them. Master Key Finance is kind of the preferred NFT marketplace that they're going to have, because you can actually keep the NFT and you can still earn rewards on it if you go sell it at OpenSea, which is going to be actually, they're removing BSC chain one, but if you go to a secondary market, you have to actually give up, retain ownership of that of NFT. So with Master Key Finance, you actually retain that in your wallet. You can still get rewards while you're trying to sell it if you do decide to do that. So this is where they're going. And as I said earlier, I guess one of the big pieces is Profit Engines is looking to expand into FX Nitro, which has actually been performing quite a bit better on the Forex side on a monthly basis. They've had months into 20, 30, 40%. Again, in previous returns are not guaranteed on the future, but this will increase, has the potential to increase the weekly returns going forward. So if we take a quick look at getting into how FX Nitro has done in the past, and they haven't updated their website here, but if you can see kind of where it has, they did have one dip there, but from when they started doing tracking, and this is before they actually sold the tokens, they started in April through all the way till June, they did 105% for overall. So there's some good movement there. And if you can see here, this one's been updated a little bit more. The current monthly was on this one was this, and I think this was like a month or two ago. Again, they haven't updated these numbers in a little bit, because they now have 111% since the inception, but this month they did 20%. So if they move say talk on Telegram is maybe if they move 50% of the portfolio, which is around $500,000, into FX Nitro, if you're getting 20% on $250,000, that's going to be a bigger increase than the percentages we have. So, anyways, big news. They're going to figure this out. And going forward. So if you're interested in getting in on the NFTs, that's where they're going to be here in about a week. They've stopped sales on the token. And then if you want to get in, $6-7 can get you in on a 2K NFT, upwards of $687 for the big one. And you can buy multiple numbers of them until they're sold out, and then you have to go to the secondary market. Anyway, this is the update for Profit Engine and where they're going on that one. This is Gordon from Metaverse and Crypto.